neighborhood that truly defines community, one of the most connected, vibrant neighborhoods in the city. You are close to parks, the P&E, amazing restaurants, awesome local coffee shops, and you're minutes to downtown and easy access to the highway. Guys, this is the Hastings-Sunrise community. Welcome to my newest listing at 45 Renfrew Street.
Three beds up and 3 beds down, tons of space, open concept, living room, kitchen. This house has it all.
Sitting on almost 5,500 square foot lot, amazing for anybody that's looking to redevelop, plus amazing rental income that this house currently gets. The best part is, it's move-in ready right now.
You thought we were done yet? No. Fully separate rental suite, 3 beds, 2 baths, and 2 bonus rooms. Huge rental income opportunity down here. This house has everything, endless opportunities, amazing neighborhood. Please DM me for more details or a private showing. Info down in the description.